Hi, this is Allie from Kidzu. I'm at Kidzu today in the Makery, and I'm going to show you how to make a bird glider. To learn more about birds, you can go to the Kidzu at Home website and check out our Brilliant Birds Discovery Pack. Okay, here is the bird glider that you are going to make. Now to start, you can print out this bird glider template. But if you don't have a printer at home, that's okay. The shapes you need to cut out are pretty simple. There are these ones here, so you can just draw it on any scrap piece of paper and cut it out that way too. I'll use the template today. The first thing we're going to do is cut out a rectangle. This is going to be wrapped around our straw. Now I'm going to cut out the tail and the wings, and you can decorate these, and it might be easier to decorate before you cut them out, but either way will work. And you can make a very colorful decoration like I did, or you can make it more like a real bird wing might look, maybe with brown or gray, whatever you like. Okay, so our wing and our tail are here, and next thing you're going to do is you're going to wrap this part around your straw. And if you don't have a straw at home, that's okay. Anything that's like a tube will work. You could even just make a second tube out of paper like this to act as a straw. I'll use the straw. So you're going to wrap this paper as tight as you can around the straw using the long end like this, see? What you're going to do later is you're going to be blowing on the straw into this tube. So you want to be kind of snug. Do your best. Tape it in a couple of spots. We are going to close one end of this tube, just one. Oh, we need to get the straw out of there first, don't we? There we go. Take the straw out and then close that end. And keep the other end open to blow through. I'm going to put a little piece of tape on there just to make sure it's all sealed up. You do want it to be sealed up. Now this closed end is going to be the front of your glider. The opened end is going to be the back. So the wings go towards the front. The tail is going to go toward the back. And voila, your glider is done. But you've got one last thing to do. You're going to insert the straw into here, and you're going to blow on it to make your glider fly. How far can you make yours go?